How to choose who can see your avatar on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to choose people you want to see your avatar on your Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are here, click on your profile and now click on settings and scroll down. You're gonna find privacy. Once you click on privacy, scroll down and you're gonna find who can see my avatar. Click on it and choose everyone, your contact or nobody. So your avatar, if you click on nobody, will be private. If you click on my contact, of course just your contact will see your avatar. If you click on everyone, everyone on your Emo app will see your contact, will see your avatar. Don't forget to subscribe and like.